Have you ever found yourself facing a new skill or a challenge and immediately thinking, I can't do this? Well, it's common to have limiting beliefs. But do you know where these beliefs come from? In this video, we'll be talking about the concept of mindset and how it affects our ability to learn and grow. Well, if you are new to this channel, welcome to Piyush Laboratory. I am Piyush, a cybersecurity engineer based here in UK, and I'm trying to share my experiences which have helped me and can help someone else out there. Now, coming back to this topic of the book called Mindset by Carol Dweck. In her book, Carol Dweck discussed the beliefs we hold about our abilities in life. To start the book, she conducted a study on 10-year-olds in a school where she gave a challenging puzzle to them. What she observed was quite interesting. There were two sets. The first set found the challenge to be interesting and said things like, I love challenges. On the other hand, the other group felt frustrated and struggled throughout the challenge. Here comes the concept of fixed and growth mindset. Someone who has a fixed mindset thinks that our abilities are innate and cannot be changed, whereas someone with a growth mindset knows that abilities or skills can be learned by putting in a right amount of effort and dedication. Now, how exactly we get into a growth mindset? I have four key takeaways from this book, and this may help you to adopt a growth mindset. First key takeaway is effort. We need to put in some effort to learn a skill. Like the saying goes, Rome was not built in a day. Exactly like that, we cannot learn a skill within a day. We have to put in right amount of effort and have to be dedicated throughout our learning process. Now, think of a skill you are bad at. Maybe you are, but if you put in the right amount of efforts, you can reach the fullest potential for that skill. If you look up to someone for a particular skill, they have not reached a particular level like that only. They have put in a right amount of effort, they have gone through the whole journey. Similarly, you need to put in the right amount of efforts, be dedicated, and you can reach that level too. Failures are natural part of the learning process. Instead of being discouraged by them, you can think of them as opportunities to learn and grow. Failures are not the reflection of our ability, but they are the stepping stone in the path of progress. Now, think of that test score or that interview where you got rejected. Think of it as a learning opportunity. What did you learn from it? By having a positive belief in our abilities to learn and grow, we can reach our fullest potential and achieve greater heights in personal and professional life. Last key takeaway from the book is continuous learning. We all were born with a love for learning, but a fixed mindset can undo it. Now, think of a situation when you were playing a game in your mobile phone or reading a book, maybe learning a skill. As the level increases, you start to feel dizzy, tired, or hungry. That is your fixed mindset kicking in. Next time you feel like that, get yourself into a growth mindset and continue your learning. To conclude, the four key takeaways from the book are putting in the right amount of effort to learn a skill, believing in yourself, third, learning from your failures. You need to learn from your failures. That test, that exam, that interview is not the reflection of your ability. You need to learn from those failures. Lastly, continuous learning. You need to continue learning. Sometimes you feel tired, hungry when you are learning a new skill, but that is your fixed mindset. You need to get out of that and get into a growth mindset to learn a new skill. If you liked this video, I would recommend reading this book. If you are from India or UK, I will put in a Amazon link in the description where you can buy this book. Thank you and happy learning.